What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here, and we are actually going to go over the Biltwell Exfil 48. I have it attached to my sissy bar. Now, I talked about this bag a little while ago while I was out jogging and walking. So I have a couple miles, about 10 miles on this bag while walking. I've been riding around with it, but this is the first time riding around with it on the sissy bar. So let's go ahead and jump into the review process of this and show you what I actually have in here. All right, so what I have in here is this is the top pocket. So I have most of my electronics type stuff. So I have my new DJI Mavic Air that my buddy Matt got me. Thank you so much. So that's going to sit right there. I have an extra camera just in case this one starts running out or that one starts running out. And then I showed you guys all the pockets in that other video, but in this next pocket I have the controller for my Mavic Spark. Now, usually I can keep a lot more stuff in here. Normally I would have like an extra battery or a bunch of extra batteries, but I don't have them, and I don't have that kind of stuff yet for the Mavic. So I'll go ahead and when I get that, I'll be putting it in there. So it's actually really cool. I can keep a lot of my camera accessories up on top. Usually you want to keep a lot of your delicate stuff up on top. That way it's not getting squished. Now, as you can tell, I have a blanket here. Now, Nikki's going to kill me because this is our one of our living room blankets. But you can actually put like a jacket or a blanket on the outside of this. You don't have to shove it inside because it comes with these really cool clips. So you're able to do that right on top of the tool area. Now, this right here, one thing that I didn't really like too much is the fact that if I am going to be using something like this, like a jacket or a blanket, once I strap it in here, it will compress a little bit on the tool part. So, I mean, if you have a bunch of tools in here, you might have to get a smaller jacket or a bag. But here's the thing is that these things are giant. So you play around with it, see how you feel about it. In here, I have all my tools that I'm going to need very specifically for today. Just kidding. I just put some stuff in here. So as you can see, you get some tools. You get to see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots. This one can hold something a little bit bigger than just a screwdriver. But inside here, I have some more tools, something that's a little bit longer than what could fit up in here. It can definitely fit down here, and you get, what, 2 slots. You get 2 slots to do that. And the great thing is that everything's orange, so it's contrasting against black tools like the Allen keys and everything. So that way you can actually see where it's at. Now, I mentioned in my last video, nothing in here is really waterproof. And I kept putting not waterproof, not waterproof, not waterproof. That is not to say, hey guys, this is a shitty backpack. It's not. It's not a shitty backpack. It's a great backpack. I just want you guys to understand that, hey, it's not waterproof. Simple as that. I think Biltwell could easily add a waterproofing option because they do have that for their other bags. So I think if they put something up here, like another zipper, and then what you can do is you can pull out a waterproofing like sack, like a lot of the other backpacks that they have. That way, when you're riding, you can actually cover up all your stuff just in case, some rain hits. So like I said, I do have, let's go ahead and move this off. Like I said, I do have this hooked up to my sissy bar. Now, I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't know if I'm doing it right or not, but it does come with, and don't worry, I got a new license plate, so I'm still within legal limits, but this right here, the attachments for it, it just seems like it's too loose. I mean, it's not going to fall off. I just don't want it hanging off to the side like this. I could be doing it wrong, so please, somebody, if you have this backpack, show me how I'm doing it wrong. One thing I did notice that it does have 3 extra loops on the sides, so you're able to actually get bungee cords and attach it even tighter if you really want to. Overall, although I like it, I'm going to be still testing it out. I'm going to make it stronger and stronger and stronger. But I like the fact that this is a backpack first, and then it's a sissy bar bag second. I really wanted a backpack, but I also wanted it to be multifunctional, so I could do that along with my saddlebags that I have here. So let's go ahead and jump into the actual bag itself. Now, last time I didn't have any laptop or anything like that inside the main compartment. So this time I decided to let's go ahead and disconnect it from the sissy bar. So what I have in here is I actually brought a laptop. So I have my new license plate, like I said. I'll be fine. I got DDFM. I have cones in here. I have an extra RAM mount attachment here, but it has plenty of room. But I actually brought a laptop this time. I brought a small little Chromebook. I didn't want to bring in my big laptop, but I brought my Chromebook. What you do is you slide it back here, and then you can have the straps kind of hold it in. So especially it'll work if it's a bigger laptop, because when I opened this up, it was kind of flopped out, and it wasn't really being held. And right here we have an extra. We have a gas can, a metal gas can container. I'm using my energy drink, so you can slide it in here. And this is more waterproofing. It's like the only zipper that has waterproofing on it. And you have one on the other side. And if you don't want to use it, you have access to zip it up, or Velcro it up and put it away. I went over all this stuff in my last video, really in depth. I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of how I'm able to use it and utilize a lot of this stuff. Now, I have some cons and I have some pros on all this stuff, and I want to be very honest with you guys when it comes to this. For one, it serves its purpose. Whenever you have a jack of all trades, you're never going to be the best at anything. You're going to have basically everything you need, but just not the best. So the tool roll on this one is going to be a little bit less than the Exfil 80. The tool stuff in here is going to be a little bit smaller. Not a big deal for someone like me that I just need to carry a few tools here and there. Not much, because I got saddlebags. So, I mean, I could put more in there if I really wanted to. But on top of that, I would use the tool roll area for my electronics. As a motovlogger, I'd put more electronics there. I'd put electronics up here. Right here, I'd probably put, I don't know, probably another jacket, maybe some layering. Inside, I'd put some food and snacks, because when I go out riding, when I go out filming, I'm gone for a couple hours, and it's like I might have to eat a snack or something. The laptop thing, that's cool and all. I like the laptop thing, but here's the one thing that I don't like too much about the fact that it's in here. The back plate where it attaches to your back, it's not rigid. So if you're hunched over and you have that rounded back when you're riding or whatever, and you have your laptop in there, and it's a really flat laptop, and if you have it ridged like that, you're putting pressure on that screen, you're putting pressure on that laptop. So I really wish the back of this was more rigid. You know, it's pretty foldable. I wish it was a little more rigid so that it would take some of the pressure off of the laptop. Once again, I do wish they had just something like a little pocket here for waterproofing, so you can bring it out over and cover it when it starts raining or something. I wish they could do something like that. I think out of the box, I think it'd be great. I mean, I'm probably doing it wrong, but I think out of the box would be better if it had stronger attachments to a sissy bar, more than one, or more than those two, maybe like 3 or 4. That'd be great. Overall, I really like it. It sounds like I'm picking it apart, but it's like I'm not. I'm looking at it. It's like, am I getting upset because it doesn't carry a laptop that well as other backpacks? Am I getting upset because it doesn't have rain cover? Am I getting upset because it doesn't attach to the sissy bar like I thought it would? No, I'm not. I got this as a backpack. I got this because I wanted a backpack that looked good, and then it also had function. I like the orange because now I could see like little itty bits of things that, I drop in there, like the GoPro accessories and stuff. If I drop them in there, I'll be able to find them easy. And then I like how it's compartmentalized. So I have like a lot of my tools here, electronics up here. I think it could use a little more pockets. I like the idea of these pockets that, with the gas can and stuff. But the thing is, when you do that, it takes out room from the inside. There's a lot of stuff that would be kind of cool if it was more like on the outside. So you can put your can there and then have it fully enclosed on the outside, so it doesn't take away inner space. I think that'd be nice. But overall, I really like it. I got saddlebags if I need to get something else. But if you're going to just get one thing, you don't have saddlebags, you don't have a tank bag, and you want to get a backpack, and really you got to get the backpack that's going to be right for you. But if you're just going out here commuting to work and back, and you need something to carry a little bit of tools, you need something to carry your lunch, you need something to carry a few things here and there, maybe a laptop if you're pretty careful about it. I just never like carrying a laptop while I'm riding. But if you have to, this is the thing to do. Just be careful when you round off your back. You don't want to put pressure on the laptop. Laptop's secure though. It's got its own pocket. It's got your own spot here for electronics or anything that you want. You got stuff here for tools, or you can use this for something else. You know, I can put my GoPro accessories in there. You can use this for drinks instead of a gas can if you want. And it's a great backpack. It fits great. I like it's comfortable. Very good padding on the back side, and it has the chest strap that is fully adjustable, which is great. You know, it can go up and go down. So it's just really what you want to use it for. And I personally use it for as a backpack. So this is, it's good. It's really good. I'll definitely be using this from now on as my motorcycle backpack, and I'll be experimenting more and more and more because it does have all this MOLLE system here, so I can attach more stuff up here. I can attach things off to the side here on these things, so I'm really excited. I wish it would have MOLLE down here. This is a smooth area. I wish this had MOLLE down here because you really don't want to put so much weight on top, more so weight down here. So Biltwell, maybe look into that, make this more MOLLE accessible. Because sometimes I might not use the straps. I might want to just use the MOLLE thing here. I don't know. Those are my ideas. I just want to say thank you to Get Lord Cycles for allowing me to review this. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and I can't wait to do more with this right here. I'm gonna put more and more miles on this, and I'm gonna probably come back to you guys and see how it's held up. And maybe if Biltwell does some changes, you know, contact me, email me. I'll definitely review a new updated version of this. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys later.